I need to find my derivative x with respect to theta, and that's negative sine theta, and dy d theta, which is 2 cosine 2 theta times 2, or 4 cosine 2 theta. Now, we don't really have to look at dy dx. When this is 0, then there's a vertical tangent, so that would occur at 0 and pi. I have vertical tangents, and I have to find my points. So x equals at 0, x equals cosine 0, which is 1, and y equals 2 sine 0, which is 0, so I have the point 1, 0. And at pi, x is cosine of pi, which is negative 1, and y is 2 sine 2 pi, which is 0, so negative 1, 0. So I have vertical tangents at those 2 points. Horizontal tangents are when this equals 0, so when 4 cosine 2 theta is 0, that means that 2 theta has to equal pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. If you remember back from trig, you have to add 2 pi k, which means that theta is pi over 4 plus pi k. K has to equal 0 and 1, so I have horizontal at pi over 4, and plus pi would be 5 pi over 4, and this is plus 2 pi k as well, which means that theta is 3 pi over 4 plus pi k, and plus pi k, and k has to 0 and 1. When it's 0, it's 3 pi over 4, and when it's 1, it's 7 pi over 4. So now what I need to do is I need to find all my x's and y's. So at pi over 4, x is cosine pi over 4, which is radical 2 over 2, and y is 2 sine pi over 2, which is 2, so I have radical 2 over 2, 2. At 5 pi over 4, x is going to equal cosine of 5 pi over 4, which is negative radical 2 over 2, and y is going to equal 2 times 5 pi over 2, of 5 pi over 2, and that's going to equal 2, so I have negative radical 2 over 2, 2. At 3 pi over 4, my cosine is negative radical 2 over 2, and I have y equals 2 sine of 3 pi over 2, so that's negative 2. So I have negative radical 2 over 2, negative 2. And at 7 pi over 4, x is going to be radical 2 over 2, and y is going to be 2 sine of 7 pi over 2, which is negative 2, so I have radical 2 over 2, negative 2. So horizontal here and vertical there.